Alright, in this video we'll be talking about how to make a video using Panopto and incorporate quizzes. So creating a video in Panopto is pretty easy. You just click the create new recording button, and after you're done you can either share a link to that, or you can even edit the video itself. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on edit. What that does is it takes us to this screen here where we can do some editing. We can trim the beginning and end of our video. So you can control the size of the video down here that we're looking at. You'll notice that this is kind of a small view. We can zoom into, let's say that right here I said the word in my video, and I don't like that. So if I select the scissors, I can click and drag over that, and now when the video processes, it'll cut that piece out. So if I press play here, you'll notice that it goes up until this point, and then it skips over that whole section and continues the video after that section. So it's kind of cool. We do have some editing features, and we can also add quizzes. So if I go to quiz, let's say that at 1 minute I would like a question to show up. I can select add a quiz, and I'm going to say Alright, so we can choose however many answers we want here with multiple choice. We could do true, false, which I basically did here, or multiple select. Right. And then once we're done, we can select done. We can allow the participants to retake the quiz, show the grade after taking the quiz. Anyway, you get the idea. We can even block the video from progressing until the question has been answered. Alright, so once that's done, next thing that we want to do is create an assignment. So we're going to add an assignment, and we're going to call this Panopto lecture with quiz, and add the item, publish, open, edit, and for submission type we're going to choose external tool, and we're going to look for Panopto. Down here, Panopto assignment, and we're going to choose the video that has the assignment or quiz question in it and insert that. We'll give it a point and call that good. Alright, so we have the lecture load in there. And what we're going to do, we're going to demo this as a student. So we're going to go in as a real student. Now, you don't have the ability to act as a user. That is a tells specific function, but we can get a good feel for how this works by doing that. So Panopto lecture with quiz. So the student goes in, and the video lecture loads. The student can start watching. Once they get to the 1 minute mark, I'm just going to jump the playhead up to that point, and let's see what happens at 1 minute. Alright, so at 1 minute the question shows up. I already took it, so I'm going to retake it, and so I'm going to answer that and finish. I got it correct. Now I can continue on with my video lecture. Alright, so once I get done, my grade from that should be now in the grade book. I'm going to go over here to the gradebook and see my Panopto lecture with quiz, and in fact there is a score and I got 1 out of 1 correct. So that is how you can integrate a Panopto video lecture with quiz that ties right into the gradebook. And that's it for this one.